Would you look at that? You probably never would guess what that's off of. That is a 1938 Chevy Coupe. And so the customer wanted to do a couple of things on this. One, wanted to fix all the cracks. Then he wanted to cover this in leather. And so we did that for him. We went in, repaired the cracks, covered it just absolutely gorgeous in a really high-end luxury leather. And then we terminated it at the spoke ends where his chrome horn will come over right up to those edges. So it's going to look really nice, and he wanted it therefore to thicken up the steering wheel a little bit because they made these older steering wheels really thin, and he needed something a little bit thicker and a little bit softer on his hands. So we made that happen for him, as we can do for you. Anything you need in regards to steering wheels or most interior parts, we do here at Craft Customs. So visit our website at craftcustoms.com, where you'll see thousands of pictures of the different projects that we have done.